Hi y'all. So I came out earlier because there was a squirrel on my porch and I shot it. Well, I shot at it and I missed, which is a surprise because I've taken out 2 rabbits in the past 2 days. So anyways, that really has me bugged. So now I'm out here in my backyard shooting at a 5-gallon pail at 25 yards away with a 1-inch target on it to try to hone my skills. I've already got my sights adjusted in, the scope's adjusted where I think it needs to be. So now we'll put 10 rounds in it and hopefully it's where we already need to be at. Ruger 1022 carbine, 10 round magazine. Let's see what we got. That's 10 rounds with the Ruger 1022. And looking through my scope, dead nuts on. Next time that squirrel's mine.